Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering the facts: vendor legal name, TIN/SSN, mailing address, and all payments for the calendar year. Once done, verify which vendors exceed the $600 threshold and need a $1,099 NEC. Then, make sure each contractor is set up in QuickBooks as a vendor and marked for $1,099 reporting. This matters because QuickBooks compiles totals only from vendors flagged for $1,099, and incorrect flags lead to missing or duplicate forms. Next, run the appropriate reports to reconcile totals: expenses by vendor and the $1,099 transaction detail report. Then navigate to the $1,099 settings and map the expense accounts you used for contractor payments to the $1,099 NEC box 1 or other relevant boxes. Make sure to review each vendor's total carefully. If payments were miscoded to payroll or personal accounts, correct them now. Doing this avoids misreported income and reduces the need to amend forms later. Finally, select Prepare 1099s in QuickBooks, confirm recipient copies, and choose e-file or print. If e-filing, authorize payment and submit before IRS deadlines. If printing, mail recipient copies by the due date. After filing, save confirmations and update vendor records. If you see mismatched totals or vendor data errors, stop and reconcile bank records and expense categorizations first. Often a single miscategorized transaction causes the error. Correct, then.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.